Hey, it's Lee here. Welcome to my channel, Jungle Journal Epic. Chimpanzees, our closest living relatives in the animal kingdom, are truly fascinating creatures. They inhabit the lush forests and expansive savannas of equatorial Africa, thriving in diverse environments. Sharing nearly 99% of our DNA, these remarkable primates offer a unique window into our own evolutionary past, revealing much about our shared ancestry. Their intelligence, social complexity, and capacity for both cooperation and conflict have fascinated scientists and the public alike. They form intricate social bonds, display empathy, and even engage in political maneuvering within their groups. For decades, I have had the privilege of studying chimpanzees, both in the wild and in captivity. This has allowed me to observe their behaviors up close and understand their world. Their behavior, often eerily similar to our own, has challenged my assumptions about the nature of both animals and humans. They use tools, communicate through complex vocalizations, and exhibit emotions that mirror our own. Through my research, I have come to appreciate the profound intelligence and intricate social lives of these amazing creatures. Their ability to solve problems, care for their young, and engage in social interactions is truly remarkable. Chimpanzees possess remarkable cognitive abilities that rival those of some human children. They are adept tool users, fashioning sticks into termite mounds to extract the tasty insects within. These tools are not simply used but are often carefully selected and modified for specific tasks, demonstrating a level of forethought and planning. Furthermore, chimpanzees have demonstrated an ability to solve complex problems, such as navigating mazes and understanding the concept of object permanence. Their sophisticated communication skills, including a range of vocalizations, gestures, and facial expressions, allow them to convey complex messages to one another. Chimpanzee societies are highly structured and hierarchical, with complex alliances and power dynamics. Males typically form strong bonds with one another, engaging in cooperative hunting and territorial defense. Females, on the other hand, tend to be more solitary, focusing on raising their young. Within these social groups, individuals form close relationships, engaging in grooming, food sharing, and other forms of social bonding. These bonds are essential for maintaining social cohesion and providing support during times of conflict or stress. Despite their intelligence and social complexity, chimpanzees are also capable of extreme aggression and violence. Territorial disputes between rival groups can escalate into brutal conflicts, resulting in severe injuries or even death. These conflicts often involve coordinated attacks, with males working together to ambush and overpower their rivals. Even within their own groups, chimpanzees can exhibit aggression, with individuals competing for dominance, food, and mates. Power struggles within a hierarchy can lead to intimidation, physical attacks, and even infanticide. Section 5. Chimpanzee violence, a mirror to ourselves. The capacity for violence in chimpanzees, our closest relatives, raises unsettling questions about the nature of aggression in our own species. Some argue that chimpanzee violence is a product of their evolutionary history, shaped by competition for resources and mates. Others suggest that it is a more complex phenomenon, influenced by factors such as social stress, individual temperament, and learned behaviors. Regardless of its origins, chimpanzee aggression serves as a stark reminder that violence is not unique to humans. It is a deeply rooted behavior that has likely played a role in the evolution of many species, including our own. Section 6. The importance of understanding chimpanzee aggression. Studying chimpanzee aggression is crucial not only for understanding the evolutionary roots of violence, but also for developing effective strategies for mitigating conflict. By identifying the factors that contribute to aggression in chimpanzees, we can gain insights into the causes of human conflict and develop interventions to promote peace and cooperation. Furthermore, understanding chimpanzee behavior is essential for their conservation. As human populations expand and encroach upon chimpanzee habitats, conflicts between humans and these primates are becoming increasingly common. By learning to coexist peacefully with our closest relatives, we can help ensure their survival for generations to come. Section 7. Conservation and ethical considerations. The plight of chimpanzees in the wild is dire. These magnificent creatures face numerous threats that jeopardize their survival. Habitat loss, poaching, and disease have decimated their populations, pushing them to the brink of extinction. Forests are being cleared at an alarming rate, leaving chimpanzees without homes and food sources. It is our moral imperative to protect these intelligent and sensitive creatures and to preserve their remaining habitats. Conservation efforts are crucial in ensuring their survival and the health of our ecosystems. Ethical considerations must also guide our interactions with chimpanzees, both in the wild and in captivity. Researchers and conservationists must prioritize the well-being of these animals in all their endeavors. We must treat them with respect, recognizing their intrinsic value and their right to live free from harm. This respect extends to how we interact with them in their natural habitats and in human care. This includes ensuring the humane treatment of chimpanzees in research settings, phasing out their use in entertainment, and providing sanctuary for those who have been rescued from abusive situations. By doing so, we honor their place in the natural world and our shared responsibility to protect them. Section 8. Conclusion. A symphony of contradictions. Chimpanzees are a symphony of contradictions, embodying both the best and worst aspects of our own nature. They are our closest living relatives, sharing nearly 99% of our DNA, which makes their behavior all the more fascinating and reflective of our own. Their intelligence, social complexity, and capacity for empathy are a testament to the power of evolution. They use tools to solve problems, groom each other to build social bonds, and show remarkable acts of kindness and empathy, much like humans do. Yet their capacity for violence serves as a stark reminder of the dark side of our shared heritage. They can be territorial, aggressive, and even engage in brutal conflicts, mirroring the darker aspects of human behavior. By studying these fascinating creatures, we can gain a deeper understanding of our own evolutionary journey, the complexities of social behavior, and the challenges of building a more peaceful and compassionate world. Observing their interactions provides insights into the roots of our own social structures and behaviors. It is up to us to use this knowledge wisely, to protect chimpanzees from the threats they face, and to learn from their example, both positive and negative. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure their survival, and in turn they remind us of the importance of empathy, cooperation, and the need to address our own violent tendencies. Thanks for watching Jungle Journal Epic. Please do subscribe to my channel for more wild videos.